Hi, I'd like to tell you about this kitchen utensil holder that I received. I got this as a gift from the company so that I could show you how cute it looks in my kitchen. Really cool thing about this, it comes with two. So you can see this one is a little bit smaller. We're going to talk about that one in a minute. But with this one, I love the kind of distressed farmhouse look to it. And it comes with these dividers and they're not in there when you first get this. So cool thing is then you can adjust this if you don't want to have, four sections. It's just really easy to be versatile with that. And then it's also got the holes in the bottom. So if when you're putting your utensils away, if they're still a little bit wet from the dishwasher or something like that, it'll come through these holes and not get the bottom kind of gross. So I'm going to show you how nice it looks here in my kitchen, and we're just going to put some utensils in here like this, and it just looks really pretty. I love the way that looks. Now with this one is a little bit different. Obviously it's a little bit smaller, but this one has handles on either side of it. So think like grabbing it for like a backyard picnic barbecue or something like that. This is just more portable, I believe. Also still has the holes, also still has the removable dividers. And I actually have like a little mini kitchen in my basement, and that's where I'm going to keep this one because I have a whole set of kitchen tools down there. So just really cute, same distressed kind of farmhouse look to it. And this is what the back looks like, and it's just really cute. I like that it's a little bit more portable. So these are both really nice, and they both look good in my kitchen. I could use either one, so these are great. Thanks.